welcome back. Guess what day it is? It's Monday. You know what that means. Mondays with the Masons. And so today we're here actually in Trent's house. He's moving. So we're here to give you guys some tips on what we've learned during this process.
Yes, and by we, she means me, because you really haven't been helping.
I'm a huge help.
But first things first, get a great mom who's going to be there to help you. Shout out to my mom. She's been doing great. But seriously, truly what I would do, start by going to Home Depot and getting boxes, evaluating in your house what you can actually put in the box and what the movers are actually going to move. The second thing, there's going to be a few days between when you pack and when you actually move. Get some paper plates, get some utensils, things like that that you can just throw away. I didn't have this last night. I had a full dinner with nothing to put on the plates. So that's a big one.
Absolutely. And another thing we would recommend is calling your vendor and calling your moving company at least 2 weeks in advance. Especially right now, it's super busy, especially before a holiday like it is right now. So we've got a list of people that you guys can contact if you need help with that. Our team is here to help and make the process as smooth and seamless as possible. So if you have any other questions about moving, Trent, do you have any other tips for us?
I've got no other tips other than we know it can be a stressful time and it's our job to try and alleviate that stress. If anything that this has taught me is this is stressful, but I know that we can get through it, and that's what our job is to alleviate that stress. So we'd love to help you guys in whatever way we can, from the start of escrow to the close and past it.
Absolutely. So in the meantime, we'll talk to you
next week.